At 9 a.m., potted wax begonias were transported to the rooftop. 680,000 potted flowers are expected to cover the 16,000 square meter Century Pavilion in 5 days. Century Pavilion is the world's largest butterfly-shaped building, but the roof panel is only 25 centimeters thick, so light soil is used for the flowers on the roof.
We used turf, coconut chaff, and organic fertilizer to make a formula soil. The soil weighs about 20% of regular soil. It weighs only about 200 kilograms per square meter.
4 species of plants will be used to decorate the roof. Wax begonias account for over 80% as they are most suitable to grow in Shanghai during the Flower Expo.
They can bloom until July 2nd. There will be flowers in bloom during the entire expo.
The pavilion's rooftop will be open to visitors. The China Flower Expo opens May 21st. Zhang, Shanghai Live.